In this class we will learn how to use the tool InsertFrame, which inserts elements into the metal frame. We will also see what their application differences are in relation to inserting elements from the Inventor library. Let's start by opening a new file standardum. As we have seen, the commands for creating and editing metal structures are in the Design tab in the Frame tool group, including the InsertFrame, which we will see below. We'll start by understanding the difference between using this command in the Inventor library, the Content Center. We use the library of standardized elements when we already know all the elements that will be used in the structure, and we already know their measurements. Then it is enough to choose the elements, which are already known, and apply in the assembly. When we are designing a new structure, that is, we do not yet know all the structural elements we will use, we apply the command InsertFrame. Using this command we are indirectly using the Inventor library, because that is where this command searches for the elements. The process of creating the structure consists of drawing a set of lines, representing the entire structure, and applying the InsertFrame to add the elements to those lines, projecting each profile as needed. This process provides a time gain over the process of inserting components from the Inventor standardized element library. Therefore, these design tools are called design accelerators, as they accelerate the design process. As an example, we will create a simple structure, starting with the design of the skeleton of the metallic structure. In the part creation environment, with the standard template IPT. To save time, we add the skeleton provided in the class, observe. Once this is done, we trigger the InsertFrame command, and in order to proceed, it is necessary to save the project. In the command window, the first thing we should do is select the standard of the component that we will insert, under Standard. We chose the ISO standard. In Family, we select the type of component that we will insert. In our case we will start by inserting a square tube, which is the component shown. In Size we define the size of this component, which will be 50 by 50 by 3 mm. In Material we define the material, and in Appearance we can choose an appearance for the element. With the element configured, we click on the lines representing this component in the structure. Note: in Orientation, we define the orientation of the component, C. Let's leave it in Central Orientation. We click Apply, then OK and OK again to confirm. OK, see that the tubes have been added. At the top, we will apply the same tube, but with different orientation. Keep track. Now we'll add two corner tops at the top. We select the ANSI standard and choose the component shown. We select the size shown. See that it is necessary to rotate the can toner, so we fill this field with the value of 180 degrees. In orientation we define the lower central part. OK, we have the structure created, and we can take the visibility out of the sketch. In this class we learned how to use the InsertFrame tool, which inserts elements into the metallic structure, and saw their differences in relation to insertion of library elements.